Good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Indian Peaks Wilderness, Colorado, and I am this morning getting ready to attempt my first 13er. That's Old Baldy peak. It's just over 13,000 feet, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So I'm at now about 10,400 feet of elevation and starting to get to the first patches of snow on the trail in shaded areas. And I'm sharing that because I think that that's the kind of useful information if you're planning to do this hike yourself. So for me, it's June 16th, 2024. The Rocky Mountains have had a pretty good snowfall winter, about average snowfall. I'll have to see what it's like farther up. I did bring spikes and trekking poles in case I need it. I'll give you an update when I get up there. It's getting steeper, and I can feel it. Here at 10,900 feet, you can see there's a lot more snow around. So at 11,000 feet, kind of right here at the tree line, some pretty deep, challenging snow. Fortunately, I'm early enough that it's still firm, but this is going to be a slushy mess coming back down. I'm at 11,000 feet right now on the trail to Old Baldy. Let's see. 11,000 feet. This is the highest that I have ever hiked. I've still got a long way to go. Well, I'm at 12,200 feet, and I decided to stop for a breather, a little break, get some water and food. Because at this point, 12,200 feet, I am at a higher elevation than I have ever been before in my life. Yeah. A couple years ago, I drove over Independence Pass in Colorado. That's about 2,100 feet, 12,100. And yesterday I drove Trail Ridge Road in Rocky Mountain National Park. That's a little over 12,100. So now here I am at 12,200, and it's looking good. Well, here at 12,300 feet, I have run into snow. I'll probably put my spikes on at this point. So this trail that I'm on from Rainbow Lakes doesn't actually go to the top of Old Baldy. In case you didn't know that, it hooks around the south flank of Old Baldy and then goes up to South Arapahoe. Now on the All Trails map, it shows that over on the other side on the saddle, that there's a suggested trail up to the top of Old Baldy, but from what I've heard is there isn't actually a trail to the top of Old Baldy, no trail. And so a tip that I received that I'll be acting on and passing on to you is don't waste your time going all the way around Old Baldy to the saddle and then coming up. Instead, just go up the west side of Baldy, just cut straight up there. And now that's good advice today because, as you can see, the south flank of Old Baldy is covered in a pretty intense looking snow field, and I don't want to do that. So instead I'm just going to be going straight up that way, off trail, and then straight up to the top. A lot less snow that way. So it's time for the summit. Pushing onto the summit. I'll see you there. And I'm here at the summit. Check out these 360 degree views. I'm gonna add my stone to the cairn here. Summit